Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Experience on all spectrums the formulas. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Teaching should only be upon knowledge and understanding. A man is responsible for his wife and kids, while a woman is responsible to both her own and her husband's side of the family. The devotees form as a fifth class and take initiation regardless of birth. First, fix your own mind, and the other things will follow. Ultimately, we are immortal, but identify with the mortal shells has left us transient and kept us from perfecting. A god is worship worthy, but a spiritual matter is what is worshipped with, and gurus should be outer signs of God. Well, that's kind of what Ayatollah means, but how many live up to the term? It is not our business to go blank or into the void, but be ready for the death of the outer attachments. Being as a child, friend, or parent of God is possible. In a way, the sent ones differ from us in that they never forgot their eternal position. The universe is to please God. One may start in terms of cause and effect, move into mental development, and then bring actions and beliefs fully into devotional service. Even the objects and powers of nature receive their spiritual instruction. Piety is not according to the world, but whether or not it is serving God. Actions and beliefs can be referenced to the revelation and the inspiration. The material world can be experienced as the affection of God. There is no making God do your will. Choose the best for God. There was a prehistoric global culture. Even our basic bodily life will be offenses if devoid of spiritual regard. And another side note that we can say with that is the whole taqwa thing. God consciousness means, basically having regard. People say taqiyya like it means something completely different than it does, but that's, it's not some principle where you lie or be dishonest to other people just because, they don't share your religion. That's some ridiculous nonsense, but it is not that such as killing is completely wrong, but who does it and the context is essential. War shouldn't be to just change rulers or kingdoms. Charity is according to types, and we should be careful whom it goes to and for what. But when it is from a just source and entrusted, it is as a key to heaven. Canto 4, Chapter 2, Srimad Bhagavatam. Maitreya uvacha vinnya ivam sa girisam apratipam avastatam daksho thapa upasprasya krundah saptum chakram. Maitreya said, and for thus Daksha saw Shiva as if there was hostility, but there wasn't. So now he took water and washed his hands. Well, then he took water and washed his hands and mouth, full of anger to curse. He began to. Now, one of the things about that is that there's a process for everything. Lifting and placing things, and as I said, even killing, there's a context. But again, cursing is something to be really careful for multiple reasons, but I've gone to that elsewhere. But I'll make this short. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent. God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.